Welcome back for a brand new episode of Worldwide Weekend. This weekend, I'm going nowhere. I stay in the magnificent Republic of Dordrecht. I'll show you around and tell you all about it. For the first time, I will use a drone. At least, if I can keep it in the air. I'll take you for a walk through Old Town and show you how I like to entertain myself on a day off. Welcome to Dordrecht, founded in the year 1220. Now relax for a moment. Close your eyes and imagine that you are in paradise. Open your eyes again and there you are, where city and water meet and have worked together for centuries. Admire the rich history of Dordrecht, which was already a flourishing trading city when Amsterdam, Rotterdam and The Hague were nothing more than a bunch of sod huts. The greatest strength of one of the most powerful cities in the Middle Ages was mainly due to its exceptionally favorable location. All the shipping from the North Sea on the one hand, and Germany, Belgium and France on the other hand, passes here. To this day, the waters around the city are still one of the busiest inland shipping routes in the world. The Grand Pensionary of the Republic of Holland during the Golden Age, Johan de Witt, was born here. After his cruel death, he left the hearts of the proud people of Dordrecht forever Republican. Long live King John. Long live the Republic. Let me introduce you to heaven on earth. Despite being completely surrounded by the Netherlands, Dordrecht has no land borders. 5 rivers form the natural border, which makes us islanders. Let me name the differences between the two countries, starting with the flags. The Dutch flag consists of 3 horizontal stripes in red, white and blue, while the Dort flag consists of 3 horizontal stripes in red, white and red. And indeed, this flag looks very much like the Austrian flag, but we use this flag much longer than they, those dirty thieves. The difference is in the coat of arms. The Dordrecht coat of arms has a shield flanked by 2 graceful golden griffins, whereas the Austrian coat of arms has an ugly black bird that just flew into a windshield. My God, what is he carrying? Was he about to rob a pet store? Let's continue with the comparison. The Netherlands is almost 42,000 square kilometers and Dordrecht almost 100 square kilometers. The Netherlands has 18 million inhabitants and Dordrecht 122,000. The Netherlands is also called Holland, but that name is quite sensitive outside the Holland provinces. Another name that is sometimes used by the Dutch themselves is Koud Kikkerlandje, which means cold frog country. No idea who came up with that. The only approved alternative name for Dordrecht is Dort, yes, with DT. A resident of the Netherlands is called a Nederlander, and someone from Dordrecht is a Dordtenaar. And the nickname for a Dutch person is cheesehead, while a Dordtenaar is called a sheephead. The language spoken in the Netherlands is Dutch. In Dordrecht, Dutch is spoken. Although the 2 languages are closely related, there are still a number of differences. We let a Dutchman and a Dordtenaar speak. 1. That can't be. Dat kan niet. Dat ken jij. 2. I have eaten enough.
Ik heb genoeg gegeten. Ik ken mijn bord niet meer op, hé.
3. A dog has run over.
Er is een hondje overreden. Er is een hondje overreden, hé?
4. I need that too.
Dat heb ik ook nodig. Mok ook hebben, hé?
5. Would you like a cup of coffee?
Lust je een kopje koffie? Hé, moet je koffie?
6. A plate of salad with a boiled egg.
Een bordje sla met een gekookt eitje. Een bordje sla met een gekookt eitje.
7. I've got a headache.
Ik heb hoofdpijn. Ik heb pijn in mijn harses.
8. The closer to Dort, the more rotten it gets.
Hoe dichter bij Dort, hoe rotter het wordt. Je moet je grote muil houden, hé? Achterlijk omrol.
Good morning. Fancy a city walk? Well, follow me. I hope you enjoyed this city walk. Feel free to walk around a bit more. There are still plenty of places that are more than worth seeing. But I have more things to do, and I'm already quite hungry. Let's solve that first. For that, I go to the fish kiosk Black Sod for the best kibbeling in town.
Lekker.
Then it's time for coffee, and for the best coffee in town, I go to the Stadsbranderij. I also have an appointment at the hairdresser, because your reporter always has to look fresh for his vlogs. I also go to the tanning salon, because your tan doesn't just fall out of the sky here. With a refreshed face, I also stop by the Stadscafé, where my chess buddy Shaki is already waiting for me for a few exciting games of blitz chess. And of course, you sometimes win. And sometimes you lose. I'll leave it to your imagination who won the most games. But it wasn't me. And in the evening, it's match night. FC Dordrecht plays a home game. That was the final whistle. We won, and we are going to celebrate. And this is the place where we will celebrate the victory until the last hours. Not only that, we also celebrate our friendships, the beautiful things in life, and the beautiful Republic of Dordrecht. And from the epicenter of happiness, I like to say, see you soon. Until the next worldwide weekend.
Thank God the weekend is over. Now I can take it slower. No more running, no more flying, no more kicking, no more whining. And enough, I've seen it all. Don't ring me up, don't want you go.